Hello everyone, this is your friend Dom Gamad of Dom's World TV. In this video, I want to teach you on how to solve an integration by parts. Okay, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to receive the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we have a problem here. The integral of, what is integral of e raised to y sine times y dy? So in this case, the first step to do is we have to choose the u and v. Okay. So let's assign u as the derivative of sine y is cosine y. Okay, cosine y. And then v, we assign v as this one, e raised to y. So no need to change it. And then we are going to differentiate this u and v. So differentiate the u. This will be written as u prime, then cosine times y prime, or this is equal to negative sine times y. Now the next is we're going to integrate the v. Integrate v. So this will be the integral of this one, v e raised to y dy is equal to e raised to y. So the same. Now we put them all together using this formula. So the formula is u times v dx is equal to u, the integral of v dx, minus the integral of u prime times the integral of v dx times dx. This is the formula that we are going to use so that we can separate each part of the integral. Okay, now we rewrite the original equation, e raised to y sine times y dy using this form. So our u is this one, sine, our u is this one, u sine y, times, so we're going to use this one, times e raised to y, minus u prime. What is our u prime is, we're going to use the cosine first. So it will be written as cosine times y e raised to y, minus the integral of this one, integral of v dx. v dx is negative sine y times ey, times e raised to y dy. So this is u prime. Okay, this part is the u prime, and then multiply it by v dx, the integration of v, which is e raised to y dy. Okay, the next. So we will simplify now. E raised to y times sine y, okay, minus ey times cosine y. Write this ey times cosine y, minus this one, we multiply this into this. So written as integral of negative e raised to y sine times y dy. Now we have the same integral on both sides, except one is subtracted, so we can take the e raised to y sine y to the left side, and we got, so this one we're going to put on the left side. This will be written as e raised to y, this one and this one, sine times y, then plus this part, the original equation, e raised to y sine times y dy. So the remaining is this part, e raised to y sine y, okay, this one, a negative times negative, this will be the outcome, minus e raised to y cosine y. Okay, now since we have two e raised to y sine y plus e raised to y sine y, so we're going to add them. 2 will be at outside the integral sign, so this will be e raised to y sine y dy is equal to, just copy this, e raised to y sine times y minus e raised to y times cosine times y. Now in here we're going to factor out the common, which is e raised to y and e raised to y. So to the integral of e raised to y sine times y dy is equal to, so we take the out of the bracket e raised to y times sine y minus cosine y, then plus c. So as you see, we have 2 here, so we want to eliminate the 2 or the coefficient 2 by dividing 2 both sides. Okay, then we cancel out, so it remains the integral of e raised to y sine times y dy is equal to, so this will written as 1/2 then e raised to y times sine times y minus cosine times y plus c. Okay, so this one. Now this is our final answer. Okay, that's easy. Very easy to make integration by parts. Okay guys, if you learned and enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will not miss out my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.